Hey guys, today I'm going to do a small video on the summer sale which is happening in a lot of the audio websites. So let's have a look at the sales which are happening. So this will be just a quick, run through with the sales, but I'll be leaving all the unaffiliated links in the descriptions. So please do check it out. So the Zazier cable is for $35. It is being sold. And the Apple Performer 5 is $203, down from 240. The Giz Audio Da Vinci is 263. The Apple Explorer is 95. Software's Twilight is 750. The Dunu DK3 is 420. The Muse Hi-Fi Ultra is down from 300, is down to 240 from 300. The Pula PA2 is sold for 130, and the Meyer Audio is also being sold for 160, down from 188. The Pilgrim Acoustic, I haven't reviewed this, but this is being sold for 300. It's very hype, this product. So yeah, $100 discount is a lot. And the 61T is down to 165 from 220, which is a fantastic drop in price. And I haven't reviewed this again, but I have heard great things about it. The Muse Hi-Fi M4, I've reviewed this. It's a good Bluetooth DAC for the $100 price point. It has 3.5, 2.5, and 4.4. Then you have the 81T, the Moondrop Blessing 3, and Dunu SS6, and also the Cadence. The Cadence, I have not reviewed it, but I haven't heard that many great things about it. So this is from the Hi-Fi Go website, and you also have many other deals like the Shanling Onyx is also being sold for $90. The Dunu Titan S2 is being sold for $64. The Chopin is still sold for $150. The Meteor is for 440, and the Dyne Quattro is for 195. And then you also have deals on the DACs and the headphones. So this is Hi-Fi Go. Let's talk about a Linsoul a bit. So I'm sorry, it's a bit fast because I do not want to bore you with all the deals and all the details. So the Salnote Zero, $20. Again, I have not reviewed it, but still a fantastic IM from all the reviews. Same thing goes for the Zero 2 if you want something warmer. The Vanner SG, again a champion for the $20 price range. The Moondrop Space Travel, $8. $8. I think so. This is just starting price. Let me confirm it. I'm pretty sure it's around $20. Let it load in the background, and then you have the SimGod Super Mix 4. Now this is an IEM. Like if you're in the market, I highly suggest that you look at this. If you want a fantastic all-rounder IEM, the SimGod Super Mix 4 is like a no-brainer. At $135, this is a really good deal. And yeah, so really look out for this IM. So if you do not mind a bit of, really upper mids and a really treble bit, but you also like low volume listening, the Super Mix 4 is fantastic. And $135, it's really good. So yeah, this is a Moondrop Space Travel. Yeah, it is being sold for $24, which again is really good. So no worries over there. And the Faraday is sold for 8 to 11. The EW300, one of my favorite IMs. It has good amount of mid bass, $63. EW200, another favorite IM of mine, a neutral IM, under $50, sold for $35. Then you also have the Mangret T Pro. I have not reviewed it, but I have heard great things about it. $323. Then you also have, let me see, yeah, the EF500LM. If you want something bright sounding and you want that good clarity metal build, $80 is really good for the EF500LM. The Quintet is on sale for 186. The Quartet for 92. And you also have the sale in Yan in Canon 2. 7H Timeless 2 for $200, $206, down from 230. Then you have a sale on the EF500, the S12 for $99. The Delchi is down to 60. This G1, yes, I've reviewed this IM. If you want a gaming IM and you do not want to spend hundreds of dollars, or you do not want to spend even $100, then the G1 is fantastic. Like seriously, the soundstage the G1 provides is really good. Now, this is another IM which I highly suggest that you look out for is the Ziigaat Odyssey for $195 is fantastic. Like this is 230, you're getting $30 less. Like if you want an all-rounder IM and you want to scale it up a bit with power and you want a warm sounding IM, I think so Ziigaat Odyssey is really, really, really good. Yes, the package isn't that good, but it it gives you the performance in terms of sound. This is a fantastic one. Like seriously, the two IMs which I suggest is look out for the Supermix 4 and the Ziggart Odyssey. Then you have the Fine Clean for $42. Again, really good. The EA1000 for matte for 197. I'll say you that avoid that. The K469, that is really good too. Now, another third deal which I suggest is fantastic is a Zen's Magnet Top Pro. If you got a $50 reservation card for this, then this would come down to $40 if sorry, $400 if I'm not wrong. So this is another fantastic deal. I mean, it just launched and this has been hyped by everyone. I really want to try it. I didn't get a review in it. I'm trying to buy this IM. Uh, I mean, the reviews and the graph, this looks fantastic. So the top pro for 450 just after the launch is fantastic. So have a look at this IM too. So yeah, that's the sale. And also the Estrella, one of my favorite like V-shape in-your-face IMs, 250 is a really good price. The Punch, a fantastic uh, base IM, which I have heard good reviews about. And what else? So you have a lot of sales on the headphones, which I'll talk about it a bit in a more. And yeah, the S08, let's sure, good price, $90 if you want a mild warm IM, a cleaner IM. This is a really good price. The Ardor, I just reviewed the Ardor. If you want a good headphone with a decent ANC, then the Ardor is really good for $80. The Shinko, I've heard great things about it. Yeah, so this is the sale in Linsoul. So there are a lot of, I'll just link to all this will be down below. And let's talk about the Shenzhen audio. Shenzhen audio, you have sale on the red, the Clinical Zero Red, the Blessing 2, the Zero, and the Hexas, Chew 2, $18, Clinical Tusk. You have the Quarks. For headphones too, you have all these sales. For DACs, you have all these sales. I think so. The SU1 is really good. Uh, and also the DX3 Pro stack, that too is really good for $169. So yeah, also the DX1 stack is really good for $85. Then you also have the E70 stack from Popping. That too has been really good. I have not tried all of these, but this is all from the reviews I've heard. And these are the AMP stack for portable DACs. So this is even the Onyx is on sale over here. This $9 is just for the case, but yeah, a similar price over here. Now let's talk about the Kiwi Ears stuff. So if I'm not wrong, the Astral is on sale in Kiwi Ears website for 250, and you also have the Kiwi Ears Spark on sale down to $80. The Eroso is on sale for $110. The Aventus is on sale for $72. Aether for $144. Ardors $80. Again, really good. The Ativa, the budget OWS for $19. Yeah, $20. HBP Punch for $381, basic IM. A4. It's not my cup of tea, but if you like something warm, if you like something, a bit, the JM1 target, this is still really good, $169. So yeah, you also have these tips, the Flexi tips. These are for $12. Again, I really like the fit of these, but it depends. I really like it, but it depends on your ear, right? And also the Forteza is down $50. The Orchestra Light is $211, down from 250. So yeah, this is the sale in Kiwi Ears. Let's go to Ziigaat. This is the Ziigaat prices. So the Canis is also down. The Lush is, I think so. There's a discount on the Lush. It's not being showed in the Ziigaat website. The Canis is also on sale, if I'm not wrong, but it's not showed in the website for some reason. The Odyssey isn't shown. The Arcadia is on sale. Arete is on sale. Astrea is on sale. Senkotres is on sale, and Nuo is on sale. So this is the Ziigaat sales. Now, let's talk about the last sale, which I'll cover. So, the K9, I haven't reviewed this, but I heard good things from it from the 2 or 3 reviews I've watched. So, this launched for 389 or something like that, and it's already down to 340, 350 ish, like that. And one more thing is the EPCT P35 Pro Dongle DAC. So, that was launched at 100, you can get it for $90. So yeah, this was a really fast rundown on all the sales. I know it was a bit fast because I tried to cover a lot. Yes, although I didn't cover many things, but still, I have been going for a long time. And yeah, there are a lot of sales. I'll just leave a link down below. And this is, I think, so the one of the best times to buy any IEMs or anything you want to buy. Apart from the November, which is the Singles Day, this is one of the best times to buy because there is a lot of stock clearance. There is a lot of sales in a lot of IEMs. So yeah, I'll just leave a link down below. Have a look at them. And sorry if I was a bit fast because I have to cover a lot. And yeah, catch you later. I hope you have a good day. Bye.